Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to make TikTok videos really easy and really fast just with Canva for free, or you can have paid pro version. You can have more elements, more fun with it. So let's begin. First of all, you're gonna go to templates, you're gonna select videos, and you're gonna select where is the TikTok? Social media, sorry, and TikTok videos. And here you can browse it, basic templates, what you want to use. Okay, so let's find some awesome. We can edit it and make it more, have more views and stuff like that, so you can browse it. Okay, let's use this template for example. Let's check out what we have. All right, we have some different stuff. All right, I think this one looks nice. All right, let's start customizing our template. So in the beginning, what we're gonna do, we have first page, we have second page, and we have third page. So what we want to do is press like this, so we see the seconds, everything. We have sounds. Let's play our basic video. So let's begin. So basic video looks like that, some sound effects. As you can see, it have some different styles. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete some pages which we're not using right now. You press on the page and you press delete button, or you can press shift, hold it, and select all the pages you don't like, and you can start deleting it. So we add one more page, we get extra a few seconds. We can like expand it like this, or we can move it in front and behind. So let's add some elements. All right, let's do TikTok. Let's see videos. All right, let's add this one and replace background. If you double press it, you can arrange it a little bit, like move the video for your liking. After that, if you want to like match and move or add some elements, you press it here and you make match and move, or flow, or stage, or line wipe, or color wipe, or like this. You can select variety of it. So let's do like this, and let's see our first project, how it looks. Kind of nice. Okay, let's add more elements to it. Each picture you can add elements inside this one. For example, right, let's do some funny dance. All right, and let's move it here. So now for a few seconds here, the monkey is dancing, or Kermit, I don't know what the hell it is, but it's dancing. And now it's switching to next page. What we can do, we can press here, expand it a little bit so we can see. You press here and you duplicate the picture, or you can press Ctrl D and do same like this. All right, so now we have few examples. We can press here and replace the video, this one, or maybe let's do this one because Spooky is coming. Let's select this page and replace it with dancing fruits. Oh, that looks nice. All right, so let's do like this, match and move. All right, so here you go. You can create basic videos with Canva. It's cheap. You can do for free, or you can do with paid pro version. Like I told you, you can have more elements. Like here you see the pro button, so it costs. If you have pro, it's totally for free for you, and you can use for commercial purposes. So thank you for the watching. I hope I help you, and see you in the next video. Bye.